If you are going to court, this video can help you prepare. You should get legal advice before you go to court. At Liverpool Courthouse, people are coming and going. A man in his 50s in a suit and tie walks down a corridor and makes his way to a reception desk attended by a young woman.
Hi, my case has been heard in court today.
Your name, please?
Simpson, Paul.
Simpson.
Responding to an application for an Apprehended Violence Order, AVO.
Level 1, courtroom number 6, just up the stairs.
Up that way?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Paul.
Okay, what happened was this neighbour of mine, he was being a real, let's just say that we'd had problems for years. Then last month, things got heated, words were exchanged, and the next thing I know, the police are telling me he's asking for an AVO. Yeah. Anyway, the application had the number for law access on it, so I phoned them to ask them whether I had to go to court.
Certainly, we can assist with
And what would happen if I didn't. They told me it was a good idea to attend.
If you do not attend court, an AVO can be made without you being there.
They said there are different types of AVOs and that I should find out what options I had. The standard orders cover things like not harassing or assaulting the person, things like that. But the other person might ask for other orders, like not contacting them or not going near their home. The orders they want will be written in their application.
Court's open, everyone. Please come in.
Law Access referred me to a lawyer. The lawyer I spoke to told me that things are different from court to court, and that at some courts the police might ask you what you want to do about the AVO, and at other courts it might be a court officer who asks you. This is before the magistrate arrives, and I try to sort out what should happen.
Do you have a case in court today?
Yes,
And what's your name?
Paul Simpson?
Are you a defendant in application for an apprehended personal violence order?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you intend to do?
I received legal advice and I'm going to consent to the AVO without admissions.
Okay. And when you
Luckily, the lawyer I spoke to explained to me what the orders in the AVO meant and what my options were. They range from simple to complicated, depending on how much you want to argue about.
If you were served with an application for an AVO, you can consent to the AVO, consent to the AVO without admissions, ask to enter into written undertakings, not consent to the AVO, go to mediation, or ask for an adjournment if you haven't been able to get legal advice.
Your first instinct is to argue. But on the other hand, I don't want this dispute to dominate my life, never mind the rest of my day. So, I decided to consent to the AVO without admissions. The lawyer said it would be a matter of court record that there were no findings against me. Legal language meaning that I wouldn't have a criminal record or anything.
Grinning, he gives a thumbs up. If an AVO is made against you, you will not have a criminal record unless you breach it. You will not be allowed to own or keep firearms or hold a firearms license. You may face other restrictions relating to travel and work. This video is only a guide. You should get legal advice before you go to court. The characters and events in this video are fictitious, and any resemblance to actual events or people is purely coincidental. Need legal help? If you have a legal question, start with our team at Law Access New South Wales. They can give you legal information, help you plan your next step, and connect you with services that can help you. Click on the Chat With Us button or call 1300 888 529 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m, Monday to Friday, excluding public holidays. Copyright Legal Aid New South Wales 2023.